Have you ever been so busy making something that you forgot everything else? Let me tell you what happened to me.
So if you wanna have fun but don't know what to do, let Auntie Missy read to you.
My room was full. Not just a little full, very, very full. There were papers on the floor, toys by the door, and clothes that didn't make it to the basket. Just in the middle of it all, I was busy. I was making something special for school. A collage. Mom, I called. Where are my scissors? Mom paused in the hallway, then pointed. Right beside your book. Oh, I said. Snip, snip, snip. Bright pieces of paper fell onto the floor. I grabbed a crayon, used it, then tucked it in my hair. My hair held it perfectly. Zuri, Mom said as she walked by. Please clean your room. Shh, I said. I held up my one finger. Then I sang softly. Don't worry, not right now. Everything will be okay somehow. I will after my project. Snip, snip. I used a pencil, then tucked it into my hair too. Now my hair was holding too. Mom, I called again. Where's the glue? Next to your crayons, she said. Oh. Snip, snip, stick. I pulled my crayon right out of my hair. More paper, more pieces, more mess. Zuri, Mom said again, your bed isn't made, and the toys are everywhere. Okay, I will after my project. Snip, snip, stick. I tucked another crayon into my hair. Now my hair was full. Then, Mom, where's the tape? Mom stopped. This time, she didn't answer. I looked around. I moved a toy. I lifted a shirt. I pushed aside paper. I can't find it. Mom stepped in and pointed. It's right there, under your things. Oh. I looked around my room, then back at my project. Snip, snip, stick. But this time, I was quieter. Time passed. Each time Mom walked by, my room got messier and my hair got fuller, but my collage got better. Mom, come see, come see. Mom stepped into my room. She looked at the floor, the bed, the toys. Then she looked at me. My hair was full of crayons and pencils. Then she saw my collage. She stopped. It was beautiful. Bright colors, colorful shapes, a big idea made by my hands. You worked very hard on this, Mom said. I smiled. But it's still important to take care of your space. When your space is tidy, it's easier to find what you need and easier to keep creating. I thought about the scissors, the glue, the tape, and then the crayons in my hair. Okay, I said. Together, we picked up the toys, folded the clothes, and cleared the floor. I placed my collage safely on my desk. Then I reached up and took the crayons out of my hair. My room felt different. Still mine, still full of ideas. But now, ready for the next one. Mom wrapped her arms around me. I love you, Zuri. I love you more. The end. Did you ever make a big mess while working on something? You can tell me in the comments. And don't forget, save this story for bedtime tonight. Follow Reading with Auntie Missy for more bedtime stories.